So what is Flip app? So as you can see, this app starts to get high in the charts in shopping category in US. And yeah, this is a new way of shopping for teenagers and younger generations. And this app, as I understand, is a combination of TikTok and shopping. So if you like hanging out on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, and basically you like video content more than like boring text, then this app is a combination of that and shopping. So this is basically like a community of people who are doing reviews about specific products, and based on these reviews, you can just shop products. But the cool part that this is like a marketplace, and when you buy some of those products, you can start making reviews yourself, and then you can earn some revenue yourself as well. So yeah, just open up the app, and here's how it looks like. On the first tab, there is a feed tab
smart bulbs.
I couldn't wait.
where people just basically making all the reviews about
All right,
slides,
review number-
about
Your boy
all the
J.Crew
stuff,
review.
like
Y'all know if it's
different things. And
I
then
am so excited
you
for
can
this
just
new
go
city.
and add all of the things to the cart. And then when you can see, oh, this is the product, this is some speaker, you added it to the cart, and then you can just buy it. And then and then you can go to checkout and basically shop the products. Unfortunately, this app only delivers to US or Canada at the moment. But yeah, that's how it works. But like and then yeah, like in the shop you can also just search for different gadgets, or just use it like as Amazon and just buy different products. You know, if you like TikTok kind of experience, and you are very visual, where you just you just making shopping decisions based on videos and on the looks, this is the app for you, just to buy stuff like this. But also then you can become a creator yourself and start making some money. So what you need to do to start creating, first of all, you need to buy a product from this app. So yep, that's how it works. Unfortunately, you can't just post a random video with random product. You need to buy product first on this app. But don't get upset yet, it's actually quite easy to do. There are some cash revenue, there are some bonuses which this app provides you just by watching videos. And then when you got a product from this app, again, this app can only deliver products to US and Canada. So if you're living in UK or Europe, it's not gonna work yet. But then yeah, you can just earn money. So like how to make it cheaper. So you see this rewards tab. So this is some kind of engagement rewards. I got them just by watching videos. I got like $6. And then you can use your rewards to get up to 30% off your order. For example, you can use your rewards to receive up to $30 off $100 order. So yeah, if I want to buy some slides for $30, I can get engagement rewards for like $10, and then pay for the slides just $20. And then they will get delivered, and then I can start making video reviews of this item. And then when I ordered my first item and paid for it, I can get some free orders. I can start getting some free items to make more reviews. And then how it works, you see these rewards, and then you see earnings tab. So you earn money from engagement on your videos, similar as on YouTube. I think you can earn starting like $15 per 1,000 views on your videos for 30 days only though. But yeah, the more views your video gets, the more you earn, similar as on YouTube. And then you get sales earnings, the money you earn from sales driven by your video reviews and live shows. When a shopper orders from your video review or live show, you'll earn 15% of the product purchase price. And then you will earn $25 per 1,000 unique views over 3 seconds from your reviews of the first 30 days. You will earn $60 per 1,000 unique views over 60 seconds from your live shows for the first 30 days. So there's also possible to do live shows. Yeah. So then that's the way how you can make money from this. If your video reviews of the products are getting traction, people clicking on it, people buying stuff, then you can just earn money. Yeah, the one thing, yeah, unfortunately, you can only earn money from the brands which are already here. You can't just take some random item and put your random link. Yeah, I guess. So that's that, and then you can basically cash out, share your reviews to start earning money. You currently don't have earnings to transfer, so you can cash out to Flip Cash, just and then you can just basically buy products here on this app using Flip Cash, or you can do a bank transfer. Bank transfer is a bit complicated though. Here is you need to open Stripe account yourself, as I read, and then you need to basically create a business Stripe account. It sounds a bit complicated for people who haven't used Stripe. It's not that complicated though, but you will need some kind of business entity to be registered in US, I guess. So yeah, it just depends like how complicated is that for you, but that's the only way to cash out, really, to get money out to your Stripe account right now. It's there is no PayPal, there is no Payoneer, there is no direct bank transfer using IBAN or Swift, unfortunately. So it's they made it a bit complicated to directly cash out. Obviously, any app would do that. The app just wants to keep money circulating inside their own app, inside their marketplace. That's why it's a bit complicated there. So yeah, and then you can see how it works, and then you can earn some revenue. $15-25 per thousand views is quite high. Quite high, I would say. This is like some good YouTube channels get that. So a lot of YouTube channels can earn like $2-3 per thousand views. Here you can get $15-25. So, but don't expect yet that you can get millions and millions of views. The community here is not that huge. But it's a good start, to register in this app and get started, especially if you're in US. Because there aren't that many people, but you can start growing with the community. And then here you can also, here's my profile. Feel free to add me. This is my link. If you add me, I think you can also get some good benefits here. So that's what you can have here. That's what you can get. There's live support, shipping, you can see, but unfortunately, again, it only ships to US and Canada. So that's that. Yeah, that's the idea of the app. I don't know how completely legit is this, how many people were able to actually cash out using their Stripe account and get that money to the bank, how much money they earned. Like, I need to follow more creators around this. But this is just like a technical overview for you to understand the technicalities of this app. Then you can also invite people, find friends on Flip. You can if you have eligible contacts. I don't know who are eligible contacts. Here you can see that if you start inviting friends, you can get coupons. So yeah. But unfortunately, I guess only you can invite people only with US phone number. I'm not sure, or something like that, after you get access to contacts, because my contacts are not eligible for some reason. It's weird, but that's what it is anyway. So interesting app. Seems it's not that scammy, seems it's like a legit app where you can earn some revenue. And maybe they're pushing all those nice revenue numbers and all of that once they just try to promote this app. So again, it's a good time to register on this app right now and get some traction and all of that. So yeah, take a look.